Imagine the smell of warm, fresh bread filling your home. The crispy crust, the soft, fluffy inside, nothing beats homemade bread. But let's be honest, baking bread isn't always easy. Too dense, too dry, or just not rising right. What's the secret? Our ebook, The Secret to Successfully Making and Baking Bread, gives you the perfect guide to mastering the art of bread making, even if you're a beginner. You'll learn how to measure ingredients correctly for perfect texture, the secrets of kneading and shaping dough like a pro, baking tips for making bread without a loaf pan, how to freeze dough for quick and easy baking anytime, the best bakeware and bread machines for perfect results. If you've ever wanted to bake perfect bread at home, this is your chance. Click the link now and start baking delicious, homemade bread today. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more.